Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a review and try-on style for these products that I found at my local Rite Aid. The Wonder Woman X, whatever it's called. So the name is kind of confusing to me because there's an X in there. It's Revlon X WW84. So I think, if I remember correctly, the movie's supposed to take place in the 80s. Well, the second movie. The first movie takes place, I think, in the 40s. Now, in the second movie, I think it's going to be taking place in the 80s. But I could be really, really wrong in that. So this was all that I managed to scavenger up when I went to my regular Rite Aid. To my local Rite Aid. And upon first inspection, I noticed very quickly that these products are already something that exists within Revlon's realm of makeup. For example, this right here, this is called Coffee Bean. This is a creamy but pearl-escent lipstick. It's definitely brown. It's definitely the name Coffee because it's a brown. Also, I've noticed this shade before too. This is a High Shine Hot Brilliance, but this is a vinyl lip polish, basically a lip gloss that's really pigmented. It's a beautiful shade, but definitely something I've seen before in Revlon's regular collection. I believe this is called Cherry on Top. Another thing that I've noticed before is this is a color stay glaze stick. So I know these just recently came out. The shade that I got is Silky Shimmer Eyeshadow. Oh, I'm sorry. No. It's called Guilt. It's a weird name. This is a copperish type of, can you tell? A copperish type of eyeshadow stick, and then on the other side has a smudger, which is great for like under the eyes or whatever your look you may be doing. And then here's this thing right here. I've never seen this before, but I'm sure this may not be something that was created particularly for this collection. And this is a liquid highlighter. So it is very beautiful. In different types of lighting, I can definitely have a hint of a pinkiness to it. So it's definitely gold, but most likely with pink shimmer in it. You can't really tell in my light that I have directly on me, but in different types of lightings you can notice a little bit of a pinky shimmer. I know when I was in the store at Rite Aid, I thought this was a pinky type of highlight. It wasn't until I came home I realized it was actually a gold highlight. So I know there's a pinkiness, goldiness mixed together, and that's what's creating this highlight. So let me get into trying some of these products on. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Revlon highlight. I'm going to take just a little bit of this stuff. The first thing I do notice about this highlight is that it does not dry down, and it's actually really, really sticky. It does come off as very natural. See, you can just see. But this stuff is very sticky, and it doesn't dry down at all. So basically, you just have a sticky globness to your face, is basically what I'm trying to say. It's very sticky right now. It's not lifting my makeup or anything, so that's actually pretty good. I'm going to take a little bit down the bridge of my nose and just a little bit here on my forehead, just to have like a nice highlight. Okay, so it gives a very natural, highlight to the face, which is something I appreciate. But do I appreciate that stickiness that won't dry down? No. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be trying for you is this right here. So like I said, I'm pretty sure this is something within their regular collection. So I'm just going to put this all over the eye. The thing that I do notice from this, just from swatching it, I'm also going in with no eyeshadow base, which is really rare for me. I always put on an eyeshadow base, but for this particular item, I am not. And I'm going to tell you why. Because I noticed that when I apply this to my hand, this eyeshadow base does not move. I mean, just look at, I just took off all this makeup from my hand and it didn't move. So that's the only reason why I'm not applying an eyeshadow base, because I'm trusting that this product is not going to move all over my eyeball. It is very beautiful, and it's actually really easy to use, but once it sets down and it dries down, it's not going to budge at all. I'm even going to put a little bit here under my lower lash line. And I'm just going to smudge it as well. And then I just created a beautiful, effortless type of look. Okay, so I just went ahead and added a wing and some mascara. The wing liner that I use this, and this is the Matte Signature eyeliner. This is in black, and it's in this beautiful, really cool packaging. And I just went ahead and added this lip color to my lips, and this lip color is actually giving me this weird scent. It's almost it's a sweetness, but almost like a weird fruity, chemical-y type of scent. It's a little bit sticky on the lips, but it's actually really pretty. I did have to go over 2 coats because the first coat I applied, it was coming off a little bit of a pinkish red, but this is definitely something that if you were trying to create a poolside look, you know what I'm talking about, like the heart glasses and then the red lips, like this is a type of liquid red that you could go for. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how much these products are. I went ahead and wrote them down because I knew I would forget. So, the highlighter, this highlighter right here, is $11.99. This lipstick right here is $8.99. The shadow stick is $7.99. And this lip vinyl is $10.99. So for my final thoughts, what it all boils down to, if you really should buy this or not, that's totally up to you. If you're a Wonder Woman fan, I would say yes, go for it. Buy as much as you can. Do it. But if you're somebody who is not really into Wonder Woman and you're curious about these products and you miss out on this collection, don't fret, because this entire thing is actually in the regular Revlon line. All you have to do is remember what shade it was and go find it, and then bam, you have it. You just won't get the Wonder Woman packaging. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was informal. I hope this was informative for you. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below. Are you a Wonder Woman fan? Are you willing to buy this stuff? If not, let's make a conversation. Thanks for watching. Bye.